How to organize notes in notebook in Evernote. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can organize notes in a notebook in Evernote. Well, to organize notes, you can use a hierarchical structure with separate notebooks for different subjects or projects, dividers or tabs to separate sections within a notebook, and consistent formatting like heading, bullet points, and color coding for clarity. You can also create an index or table of contents at the front for easy navigation and consistently date every page. If you're creating a note first, right, then as you can see here, you want to name it, you want to name the title, and you can keep it in bullets, and you can make sure you have a structural plan for your note, right? Then what you can do is you can easily manage it under your notebook section. So you can see my first notebook here titled. Under it you can see my first notebook right here. Now I just created this recently. Now if I create another one, what I can do is I can title it again with a good title, with a particular title. For example, here this is just an example note, right? So what I can do is tap on three dots and then I can move it. So what I can do is I can either move it to first notebook, or I can create a new notebook here and then I can proceed to name it. For example, it is my school plan or school project. So I'll set it as school project and then create it and then save it there. So this is how you can easily, now here you'll need a plan here. I don't have any plan, but this is how you can easily organize notes in notebooks. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.